Hi guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the permanent assistant professor, associate professor as well as the professor vacancies notification from one of the government university. So really it will be a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the permanent faculty job notifications in the government university in this pandemic situation. So please utilize this opportunity guys, and here the central pay scales are going to available to the candidates who are selected here, that is the 7th CPC. And while coming to the assistant professor category, you are going to get 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month as per the academic level 10 category. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is Jamia Millia Islamia University guys, and from this university here the notification dated on 1st June 2021. So it is a central university guys, and applications on the prescribed form are invited for the following teaching positions in the university so as to reach an office of the recruitment and promotion section by on or before 30th June 2021. So all of you remember 30th June 2021 is the last date for apply for this one. Yeah, these are the timings also given here. And while coming to the departments, okay, in each and every department, what are the professor vacancies, what are the associate as well as the assistant professor vacancies, all the things we are going to see here. So please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the notifications guys. Okay, and the first one, in the Department of Faculty of Engineering and Technology, 2 professors of mechanical engineering, 2 professors of civil engineering, and one professor in the electrical, electronics and computer engineering. And coming to the qualification for the professor category, PhD degree in the relevant field and first class in the bachelor's degree or the master's degree, minimum 10 years of experience and at least 6 years of research, 6 research publications must be there. And next one, 2 associate professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering and 1 associate professor vacancy in electrical, electronics and computer engineering. And the qualification almost same, but here 6 research publications and minimum 8 years of experience in teaching or research. Next one, 3 assistant professor vacancies in Department of Mechanical Engineering and 1 assistant professor vacancy in Department of Civil Engineering. And the qualification required for this one is BE or BTech or BS and ME or MTech or MS or integrated MTech in the relevant batch with first class or equivalent in any one of the degrees. So here for the mechanical as well as the civil engineering and the assistant professor category, only post graduation is enough. Okay, no need of the GATE or else any other UGC NET qualifications. Okay guys, and next, 1 associate professor in physics department and 1 associate professor in electronics department. So for professor category, PhD is mandatory, all of you know, and you may check down for the further qualifications. And next, 1 assistant professor vacancy in physics and 1 assistant in electronics in the Department of Applied Science and Humanities. So for this one, the eligibility is 55% of marks in the post graduation, and apart from this one, the candidate must be qualified in UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, and next, while coming to the in the Faculty of Social Sciences and Faculty of Humanities and Languages, so here the professor vacancies are there in the Department of Political Science, Public Administration, Department of Commerce and Business Studies, Psychology, Economics, Ancient History and Culture. And for this one, eligibility, the PhD is mandatory guys. So apart from the PhD, some teaching experience as well as research publications also must be there. Okay, next, associate professor vacancies from the Public Administration, Human Resource Management, Psychology, Adult and Continuing Education, History and Culture, and Northeast Studies and the Policy Research. So for this one also PhD is mandatory guys. And next, Coming to the 3 assistant professor in the Department of Political Science and 3 assistant professor in the Department of Commerce and Business Studies, and 1 assistant professor in Department of Social Work, and assistant professor from the Psychology and from the Economics and History and Culture and the Department of History and Culture in Modern Indian History. So here the assistant professor vacancies are there. So for these assistant professor vacancies, eligibility is the master's degree with 55% of marks. Apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay. So total these are the vacancies, guys. So I hope all of you understand in which departments the vacancies are there and what are the qualifications required for this one. So here the professor, associate professor as well as assistant professor vacancies are there. Okay, so you please check down, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Okay, to get the accurate and more details, once click on that one and then go to the notification clearly by yourself. And coming to the pay matrix is the 7th CPC, that means for professor category academic level 14, associate professor academic level 13A, and assistant professor level 10 category. Level 10 category means the qualification required for this one is a PG plus UGC NET, but for engineering departments UGC NET is not required. Okay, and while coming to the pay scale, 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. Okay, that is a assistant professor academic level category. And few instructions to the applicants are given here. Okay, so you may check down all these instructions very carefully, guys. And academic score, as per the academic score, the candidates will be shortlisted for the interview. That means there is no written test and all here. So whatever the APA score is there, as per the APA score, the candidates will be called for the interview. Okay, so these are the remaining instructions. Okay, so you please go through all these instructions, guys. And coming to the the last date is 30th June 2021, and non-refundable, the application fee is 500 rupees and 250 rupees for the SC and ST candidates. You have to pay through online, guys. So the details of the bank is also given here. Okay, so and the contact number is also provided here. If you are having any queries at the time of filling up of the online application form or something else, if you are having any queries, then you may call to this number, guys. Okay, and the remaining points are also mentioned. Okay, so you please go through this one, guys. So total 10 pages are there. So whatever the important points are there, so I just gone through those points. Okay, but the link I will provide in the description box of this video. So you are requested to go through the complete details once again. And the way of procedure you have to apply is that your applications has to reach to the university office by 30th June 2021. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.